Trick or Treat! Written by Hayley Down. Published by Make Believe Ideas. Michael has the heebie-jeebies, the worst you've ever seen. And there's one scary reason why. Today is Halloween. It's time to trick or treat in town. Excitement's in the air. His sister Meg can't wait to start and knows just what to wear. Meg yells, "Let's brave the deep dark night!" In search of something sweet, she skips up to a spooky house and shouts out, "Trick or treat!" Michael shivers, shakes, and quakes as out crept 8 long legs. His sister's light reveals the truth. "It's just a boy," says Meg. The next door opens with a boo when Meg calls, "Trick or treat!" But Meg's not scared because it's just a lady in a sheet. They trick or treat along the road and Michael longs to hide. But at each corner Meg's light reveals who's really tucked inside. The final house sits on a hill, its giant gates shut tight, with warning signs that say, "Keep out! Just scram! And dog will bite!" "They don't fool me," Meg boldly cries. "There's still fun to be had." While Michael whispers to himself, "I think poor Meg's gone mad." The door swings open at their knock. Out streams a blazing light. And suddenly there comes a scream that echoes through the night. It's just a group of skeletons. Meg jumps around with joy. The skittish skeletons cry out, "Oh no! A girl and boy!" But little Michael has a plan. He knows just what to do. He shines Meg's light and then says, "Look! Inside, we're just like you!" The skeletons gasp. It's clear to see they didn't need to fuss. They are just 2 little bags of bones, skeletons, just like us. The kids head home and wave goodbye as the trick-or-treating ends. Meg says, "You're braver than you think. And look, you've made new friends." Tucked up in bed, the children dream of monsters big and small. Now Michael knows what's underneath. He'll make friends with them all. The end.